Ninja Dan, whose given name is Jonathan St. Rose, left the courthouse on Brazil Street to the shouts of "murderer." Armed police guards lined the building, keeping a large angry crowd at bay. They had gathered outside the courthouse on news that St. Rose would make his first appearance before a magistrate since he was arrested on suspicion of murder early Saturday morning. He, along with Lydell Blass and Marvin Nelson, came together in handcuffs in an unmarked police vehicle. Notwithstanding the serious charges against him, St. Rose appeared very calm, and his lead counsel, Lon Theophilus, says the public reaction was premature.
For persons to be calling out for his head is rather emotive at this stage, and it's not necessarily based on what constitutes the evidence that has been collected at any stage. We anticipate that in any case where someone has been charged with murder, there will be an emotional outcry, but persons need to go beyond that to know that the letter of the law dictates that someone is to be tried on evidence, and evidence is only what is collected, and it will be the basis on which either a conviction can be sustained or not.
Theophilus and his team, comprising Dazrian Green and Leslie Mondesi, were preparing for a bail hearing for the accused. The next step will take them to the High Court for a sufficiency hearing, where it will be determined whether there is enough evidence to bring a case against St. Rose and his cohorts.
We can't say when it's going to be heard. One of the applications which we did make today was for the police to give disclosure of information that is within their file. It is not an unreasonable request, because if you are to charge an accused for any offense, there must be information that you have in your possession. We're just asking to have that information disclosed to us at this stage, as it will form an integral part of bail, of a bail hearing and the application for bail which is going to be filed before a judge.
Theophilus would not comment on the evidence or lack thereof against Ninja Dan in the case. Once the police disclose their evidence against the accused, Theophilus intends to build his case for bail.
Well, he has a right to bail. He has a right to bail, and I anticipate that the judge will determine whether he should be granted bail based upon a number of things, including the strength of the application, which includes the strength of the case against him, amongst other things. We anticipate that they will, for a day or two, they may be kept in police custody at one of the relevant police stations, and then subsequently they will be sent to Bordelais.
At Thursday's hearing, the charges were read to the three accused men and the case sent up to the High Court for the sufficiency hearing. Lydell Blass is represented by Stanley Felix, and Andy George is serving as counsel for Marvin Nelson. Clinton Reynolds, HTS News, Channel 4.